But where's frogs? Or throw rocks on those lily pads.
No.
So they would die?
They won't die, but we might damage them.
Whose are those? Who planted those?
People who work here. You see the butterfly? I mean, the dragonflies? Whoa, they're so bright. Look at those red dragonflies. Pretty cool, huh? They're very friendly, baby. They like to eat bugs.
And spiders?
They love to eat mosquitoes, dragonflies. I wish we have dragonflies in our backyard. That'd be very nice. To eat those mosquitoes.
Eat those mosquitoes. I wish we could have them inside for our pets. So they can eat mosquitoes inside.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Let's train them.
You want to train the dragonfly?
How to get mosquitoes. So you can eat them. I wish we had mosquitoes in our house and our backyard and our front door. I wish so. Collect those dragonflies so we can put them in our house, maybe. Can't we?
No. I don't think they'll be happy about that.
Why don't we put them in our house?
They'd be very sad to be trapped inside like that.
No, they'll be happy because they have mosquitoes inside.
Yeah, I don't think that's enough.
They'll love it. That'll be a good idea.
You think so?
They're like, and then they'll like it. Because if Wildflower started going close, yes?
What's that?
Is the Wildflower started going close?
No. You see, there's a turtle. Do you see the turtle in the pond?
I can't see it.
No?
You can see the shell.
Do you see him? He's right there.
Okay, he's not fighting.
He's just standing and taking a sunbath, maybe.
I saw a turtle take a sun now. Look at that fish, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
That's really big. Look.
I know.
There's our turtle.